We were going to Prairie du Chien for a day trip. Takes almost 2 hours drive from Independence, Iowa to Prairie du Chien. On the way there, we enjoyed the scenery and it's quiet, not a lot of traffic. This place is a small town, but it's quite amazing and beautiful too. There's a few nice houses on the top of the mountain. We passed by a casino boat across the pink elephant on the left side of the road. I didn't focus the boat because I was focusing on a pink elephant, which is very rare. It's pink, right? Then we reach into the place where we can enjoy our lunch in beautiful surroundings. This is by the water, and sometimes we can see a tourist boat passing by. The restaurant called Backwater, and this is attached to the Waterfront Hotel building. Until next time, we definitely come back here. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.